bank, that's one way, and I can go off the bank this way. I can't go straight on. But I'm gonna try the bank first. So you're gonna go real slow. You go any speed at all, this is gonna, the cue ball's gonna kick out. Real slow. Just enough to go by these. That should do it. A little less would have been better, but I'll take it. Now you just missed the ball, put a little left. Just like that. Too hard, it goes in the gut. Almost. Alright. Here's the other way. Just back here. So, 3 minutes. The ball is the same way. So here we go. Now I'm going to go up and down table, so we split the difference from here to here. Center ball being right here. Okay. You can measure it by the diamonds. This is about a quarter diamond. So we want to hit this way, quarter diamond over. So hit center. Go right here. That's just the way I do it. Let's see how it works. See the diamond there. Alright. So that's the other way to do it. Now, I have to go this way. And that's happened to be perfect. Just go straight in. There you have it.